Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm just doing a quick pick Thursday video. I've got this a BURG WÄCHTER or BURG WÄCHTER. I'm not sure if it's German. I know they use the umlaut, which is that thing on top of the A. I could be wrong. I'm assuming it's German. It's the Alu Titan 770-50, so it's 50mm wide. Very similar, well, the same composition as the Abus Titanium, but I think the Titanium is copyrighted, so which is a mixture of titanium and aluminium. So they've just put Ali Titan instead of Titanium, which is just a copyright name for the mixture of those two metals. Anyway, let's get on with the pick. Oh yeah, the key is your bitting. It's not very challenging bitting, but I like this key. It's a very nice key, very different. It's got the offset BURG WÄCHTER there, and I just really like the look of that key. It's really cool, really different, you know. Let's get picking. Alrighty, drop everything. So to get the device, it's got a pretty open keyway. You'll see in there. As you can see, it's got a pretty open keyway there, so I could probably use definitely use top of the keyway. And my go-to pick at the moment, which is the Bishu. Should be able to squeeze a 19 in there, yep, quite easily. Alrighty, so let's give it a pick. Alright, so let's make sure I'm not hitting pin 1. Overcoming that spring tension. I'm just going to go all the way to the back, over tension, and feel the pins, because sometimes when you go into padlocks you catch a bit of something else which are not pins. So I feel pin 5 there, and it's binding, so I'm just going to release the tension. Make sure I've got, okay, everything's in place now. Yep. Okay, feeling for another binder. Actually, I think I might have overset pin 5 there. Start from the front, shall we? 1. Okay, just hit 2 and got a bit of movement on the coil. Okay, 3 is binding and good movement on the coil also. Okay, that's 4, I think. Release some tension to set it. 4, and there's 5 there. Okay, so then one I haven't picked is 1. I can't seem to get up there. I think I'll go off this ledge here. I want to use a different pick. Just check these other ones here. So 5. Okay, got some more movement. Okay, now 1 is binding. Oh, getting past that tension is a bit of a hassle. Might go off this ledge here and try to set it. Whoa, that's in a really almost a false set. Yeah, that's strange. I don't think it's got spools on them or not, but okay, just touched 5 and got an open. Okay, so just didn't set 5 all the way up. Awesome. So that was the BURG WÄCHTER Ali Titan 770-50. I did come across a padlock recently, and is this YALE here. I've wanted one of these for the longest time. I'll just give you zoomings. I've got a few questions about it. It didn't come with much of a description. I've got off Gumtree, and one of my mates on Discord actually gave me the link, which was Down Under Monkey. He gave me the link on this one because I told him I was after one, and he gave me a link on Discord, and yeah, I went out and bought it. It wasn't that expensive, doesn't have a key. So yeah, it's got the YALE in town manufacturing company. got that sort of logo, the 2 rivets there, and obviously on the other side, and made in USA. It's got the pivot style shackle. It's got the offset keyway, which is not in the middle, it's sort of to one side, and it's a watered lock. So it didn't come with a key, but I've got this American American padlock bypass tool, and you just stick it in there and pretty much opens up like that. So yeah, that's the innards, so to speak, the innards as far as we can see. So yeah, if anyone's got any information of era or use, because it's got NB stamped into there and 09 stamped into there. So yeah, I don't have much knowledge on overseas locks, especially these older locks. You know, they're pretty hard to find in Australia. Anyway, yeah, so that was those 2 locks quickly picked. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.